Hello, I'm Carrie Dyer from Talen Energy Susquehanna Nuclear. As a result of a decline in the number of outage worker applicants at Susquehanna this year, I wondered how we could tap into the pool of area high school seniors to fill the gap. We would educate the students and they in turn would assume the responsibilities and receive outage worker compensation. Guided by plant manager Derek Jones and Susquehanna safety professional John Lucy, Susquehanna and the schools were fully on board. Seniors were canvassed and 9 were chosen. The schools ensured that students met their high school graduation requirements, and they agreed to include college-level OSHA training courses to help the station meet its station requirements. Not only did the students gain approval from their school district to participate, they were also expected to maintain a drug-free lifestyle and pass all required nuclear testing, including NANTEL training. They experienced job interviews and background checks. Mentoring took place with each student throughout the outage. The students were willing to learn and they wanted to work. They engaged in verbal and electronic communications and they learned the importance of teamwork. Not only did these students exceed our expectations, I can tell you they opened the door wider for all future co-op students at Susquehanna. It is clear we have altered the trajectory of these students' lives and have demonstrated the ability to profoundly close outage resource gaps. That is why today, Talen Energy Susquehanna Nuclear is honored and so very proud to accept this exceptional industry award. Thank you.